Altium Designer offers a new alternative approach for viewing, creating, and managing the design constraint rules used for PCB layouts. To access the new Rules Editor document interface, open the existing Rules and Constraints Editor dialog, and then click the dialog's Switch to Document View button. Rules created in the new system are backwards compatible with the old system. The new Rules Editor is opened as an interactive rules document that features an object type, nets, differential pairs, X signals, etc. The orientated grid view of the current design constraints rules are organized in application class categories such as routing, high speed, and manufacturing. After selecting the type of object, the Properties panel displays a list of rules related to this category. It's enough to click on the eye icon to display the desired rule in the table. To edit an existing rule, just select it in the table and change the value at the bottom of the document. To add a basic rule with a restriction on a certain chain, you must select it from the drop-down list. Basic rules for object classes are added in the same way, and if necessary, it can be created immediately. Existing rules that feature more complex query expressions in their matching scope are considered as advanced rules, while other simpler rules are re-expressed as basic rules. Most rules in the advanced format can be converted to the simpler basic rules by dragging and dropping the rule on the basic rules listing, or by selecting the Move Custom Rule to Basic option from the Advanced Rules right-click menu. The Advanced Rules query-based scope will be converted to the Basic Rules object type qualification. Rule priority is automatic, based on the natural hierarchy of design objects. Creating a new rule in the manager's default advanced mode is similar to constructing a rule in the existing Rules and Constraints editor. To do so, select Add Custom Rule from the View's right-click context menu, add a query-based matching scope if required, and enter the constraint parameters in the column grid or the lower graphical representation. The new Rules Editor includes a cross-probe feature that will show a constraint rule's object scope by visually highlighting the net and connections in the corresponding PCB layout. To cross-probe to any rule in the manager's grid listing, right-click on its entry and choose the cross-probe option from the context menu, or select the cross-probe option from the Advanced Rules 3-dot menu.